सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. In previous lesson or in previous class we have learned the Ajnartha Lot Lakara, the few new words we gone through. Also we have completed Sanskrit sentences. Now we will do English one. Here we are. So tell your brother's name. Sentence.
Tvam, brother. What is the brother? Tvam, brother is. I forget the word for brother.
Bhratru, bandhu.
Tvam, bhrataram. Bhrataram.
What's name?
Brother's name, right? Bhratraha. Bhratuhu.
अथवा बंधोः अभिधानं वद. त्वं तव भ्रातुः अभिधानम् अथवा नाम वद.
Nama. I forgot the word nama. Okay.
Next. Children, go to school and learn your lessons. Oh children, go to school and learn your lessons.
डिम्भकाः पाठशालां गच्छत. पाठान् च पठत.
पाठान् पठत च.
पाठान् पठत च.
So here, when there are two objects, then you can add that chakara after object. But if there are two actions happening, then you can add chakara after action. So here there is only one action, so you cannot add chakara after pathan. You will say, "O children, balakaha, O balaha, पाठशालां गच्छत पाठान् पठत च." That way. God save the king.
देवः भूपं रक्षन्तु.
Hey Dev. Oh, Devah. One noun can be taken. Devah bhupam rakshatu.
रक्षतु.
Next. Let us follow the counsel of wise men.
Vayam Jnaninam Upadesham Nayama.
Follow.
Anutishtama.
Anudishtama. Anusarama.
Anusarama.
Vayam ज्ञानीनाम् अथवा प्राज्ञानां बुधानाम् उपदेशम् अनुसराम. और काउंसिल्स उपदेशान अनुसराम. The gods be satisfied.
The देवाः तुष्यन्तु.
God should be satisfied. Devaha tushyantu. Hari and Madhava do not prattle. Oh Hari and Madhava, do not prattle. Or Hari or Madhava, Hari and Madhava do not prattle. Both way.
Hey Hari Madhava cha jalpam na karotu.
How many of are there?
Oh, na, karu, kar. Two are there.
Directly you can use jalpa kriyapad as kriyapad.
Okay. He Hare Madhavacha Jal Jalpat Ma Jalpatam Jalpan Ma Jalpantu. No, Jalpatam.
Hari Madhavau ma jalpatam. Okay. One word you can make Hari Madhavau. Dvand. Harishcha Madhavascha Hari Madhavau. Or even we can use Madhyam Purusha. Hey Hare, hey Madhava. You both, Yuvam ma jalpatam. Hari Madhava, if you use, you will say jalpata, ma jalpatam. If you are using Yuvam, then ma jalpatam. Okay. संबोधन की जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्टली वी कैन से हरि माधव यू बोथ हरि माधव shall not that way, do not live off doubt as to Rama's success.
like रामस्य विजये शंकां त्यजत.
Rama's success, Ramasya vijaye shankam tyajat. You all should give up the doubt about Rama's victory. May the enemies of men thus perish.
Jananam Shatrunam.
Okay, you
Jananam Shatrun Nash.
what is
Saptami?
Subject.
May the enemies of men thus perish. The subject is enemies of men.
वो enemies प्रथमा में आएंगे.
Okay. Jananam Shatruhu Shatrau Shatravaha. Shatravaha Ma no Nashyantu.
Thus evam nashyantu.
Thus evam nashyantu.
Or thus may the enemies of men perish. Evam manushanam shatravah nashyantu. Give money to poor.
Is poor is plural or singular here?
Poor. Actually, both way we can use, even for singular, even for plural.
Like if we use
Let's say singular.
as a singular, then daridran.
Daridraya.
Dhanam yachata.
Yam.
Yum.
Or you can say even tvam daridraya dhanam dehi. Tvam daridraya dhanam yacha. अथवा यूयम दरिद्राय धनम यच्छत. बोथ में. Let's see. O Chandala, do not touch a Brahman.
Hey Chandala. Ma Brahmanam Tvam Ma Rusha.
O Chandala, hey Chandala, Brahmanam ma prishat. Okay. Let him drink the juice of Soma. Hmm.
Sir,
Say.
पिबतु सोमस्य रसं पिबतु
सः सोमरसं
सः सोमस्य रसं पिबतु
सोमस्य रसं पिबतु. May he remember the good deeds of his race.
सः तस्य कुलानां
कुलस्य
पुण्य
वंशस्य
वंशस्य पुण्यकर्माणि
हम्म,
स्मरन् स्मरतु
स्मरतु. सः तस्य वंशस्य अथवा कुलस्य पुण्य सुकृतानि स्मरतु.
कृतान्
Good deeds. Su means good. Krita means karya. Deeds. Let us deserve the praises of men. Hmm. Let us deserve the praises of men. Hmm.
जनानाम् अपराधस्य
Hmm.
अपराधान्
No, no, no.
क्षाम्यतां
No, you are in next, we are in previous sentence. Let us deserve the praises of men. वयं जनानां स्तुतिम् अर्हाम शक्नु अर्हति means to deserve, to be able, right? We are deserve. वयम् अर्हामः. किम् अर्हामः? That people should praise us. So जनानां स्तुतिम् अर्हामः. Got the sentence? Next. Let us forgive the faults of our friends.
वयं मित्राणाम् अपराधान् क्षमाम
Shamam. Embrace closely your father. Oh boy, oh boy. Embrace your father closely. Hmm.
embrace is alinganam is one thing, but I know that
Hmm.
there are other words for embrace.
Ashli Shati is the Kriya Pada. Ashli Shati.
Closely.
So, oh boy. Hey Balak. Balak.
Hey, Balak.
Janakam. क्या बनेगा क्रियापद? Firmly. Close.
आश्लिष
Ashlish. So basically, O children, O putra, oh not putra, he bala, he bala, tvam pitaram अथवा जनकम दृढ़म आश्लिष्य.
What did you say? Can you repeat it again?
हे बालः अथवा बालः पितरं दृढम् आश्लीषतु। आश्लीषतु कुस्यतु। कुस्यतु also means to embrace. आलिंगन दे। आलिंगतु also we can say. आलिंगनम करोतु। हाँ, children do not give pain to dumb creatures.
हे बालकाः
हम्म
यूयं
हम्म
मृगान्
Okay.
न न पीडयन्तु।
न पीडयन्तु कान् मृगान् which kind of mriga, which kind of prani, which kind of animal.
Oh, dumb is like you, the one who don't speak.
मुकेभ्यः प्राणिभ्यः मुकेभ्यः सत्त्वेभ्यः मुकेभ्यः पशुभ्यः दुःखं न पीडयतु अथवा मा पीडयत। और चिल्ड्रन ओके यूयं मा पीडयत। दैट
मा पीडयत। Okay.
पीडयत। पीडयति is a 10 conjugational form. We are using मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन पीडयत। Okay, next. May not his mind be agitated by anger. His mind, हरेः
बुद्धि बुद्धि
चित्तम चित्तम न क्षमन्तु
agitated. May not agitate.
हरीश
न
mind
क्षुभ्यतु
So हरे's mind, हरेः अंतःकरणं हरेः चित्तं may not agitated by क्रोधेन मा अथवा न क्षुभ्यतु। हरेः चित्तं क्रोधेन मा क्षुभ्यतु। May we not wallow in sin.
Wallow is I don't remember the
Lutha.
lut. Okay.
लुट्यं
Vayam
वयं मा लुट्यं
papeshu na lutyama. Lutyama. I don't know. Is it fourth conjugation?
Fourth conjugation.
Lutyama.
Luthyama. Led.
Papeshu or pape?
Both way. Papa shabda also used in even you use in singular, it can give the plural meaning. So pape अथवा papeshu. Both way. Here it is sin. So let's say pape. Pape ma luthyatu. Luthyama. Let the herdsman take the kine home. हाँ ये होना चाहिए ना।
Kine?
Kine.
Kine.
गोपः नयतु
काइन ये काउस के लिए यूज होता है क्या कुछ?
But that is a cane, not kine. I don't know what kine is. Cane is a stick. I don't know what kine is.
गोपः धेनुं और गवयः गवयः नो
काऊ के लिए कुछ शब्द गया है क्या इस पाठ में?
धेनु धेनु और गवयः
हम्म, काइन ऐसा शब्द ढूंढना पड़ेगा। काइन काइन के राइट। के
No, that word meaning is not there because I printed it. Okay, I printed this.
व्हाट इज द
Kain is not there. Kain is not there.
ओके काइन 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 नहीं है। एनीवे so that might be wrong, so let's say may the herdsman take his cows to the home. Okay. Here we were. Let the man take the cows home. Take cows home. So simple है। गोपालकाः धेनुः गृहं
गृहं नयतु
नयतु। Yes. Next. May the greed of the people for gold decrease.
I read it as increase. Okay.
अच्छा बढ़ना चाहिए।
So
अमेरिका वालों के भी इसमें बढ़ना चाहिए एक्चुअली। दे आर नॉट fond of gold, right? Americans are not fond.
America, their Indians are fond of gold.
Yeah, that is so. For the greed of people of Americans should increase
Should decrease.
and Indians का decrease ही होना चाहिए क्या? Okay, let's.
So may the people, Jana,
not people.
Jananam spruha
Greed, lobha.
lobha Jananam suvarnaya lobham
Actually trishna is a bad, lobha is also bad. Yeah.
Trushna suvarnaya trushnam
तृष्णा अथवा लोभ
lobha decrease avaro I will look in this decrease.
क्षयते क्षयति
Shayati, correct.
क्षय होना।
Ksha. So
क्षयतु तो जनानां सुवर्णस्य लोभः सुवर्णस्य तृष्णा अथवा सुवर्णाय तृष्णा सुवर्णाय लोभः क्षयतु। Made the two sons please their mother.
पुत्रौ मातरं प्रीणयताम्
प्रीणयताम्. Let the beggars glean the grains of rice.
Yachakaha glean odakam odakam rice
ओदनम नहीं, ओदनम मतलब पका हुआ राइस। तंडुलान उंछतु
tandulan
उंछन्तु
Unchantu.
ये हमने बहुत पहले, लगभग मुझे लगता है ये वाला धातु हमने चौथे या पांचवें पाठ में पढ़ा था, उंचतु, टू ग्लेन।
I'm sure we have studied all these words that I cannot quickly remember.
उसके लिए कंटिन्यूअस होना होता है। हमारा अभी फिलहाल पाठ चल रहा है हफ्ते में एक दिन। हाँ, द पुस्तक, द बुक वी वर सपोज टू फिनिश विद इन 32 days, but now we have almost completed 3 to 4 months. So how will we remember? Anyway, last sentence, let the fools prattle.
तो मूर्खाः जल्पन्तु।
Murkha jalpantu. Okay, the imperative mood is continuing, so a little bit practice of Atmanepada we will do, and we will take up next sentences. Abhi. So basically, pratyazar tam itam antam swa itam dvam ai avahai amahai. So modatam modetam modantam modasva modetham modadvam modai modavahai modamai. These are Atmanepadi forms. So if you find Atmanepadi Kriya Pada, let's remember these will be the forms. And Parasmepadi forms you already know. Vadatu vadatam vadantu vada vadatam vadata vadani vadavu vadam. Okay. So this, with the difference, we will go with vocabulary. Vijayate. So it becomes Atmani. Though the Jayati form, the Jayati root belongs to Parasmipada, but there is a special rule in grammar. When we add Vi or Para along with Jayati Dhatu, it changes into Atmanipada. So Vijayate, Parajayate, that is how the forms are made. So Vijayate means what? To conquer. तो विजयताम विजयेताम विजयंताम विजयस्व विजयेथाम विजयध्वम विजयई विजयावहै विजयामहि. दिस इज हाउ लोट लकार विल गो इन आत्मनेपद. प्रतिपद्यते, प्रतिपद्यते स्टेप्स टुवर्ड्स. प्रतिपद्यताम प्रतिपद्येताम प्रतिपद्यन्ताम प्रतिपद्यस्व प्रतिपद्येथाम प्रतिपद्यध्वम प्रतिपद्यै प्रतिपद्यावहै प्रतिपद्यामहि. So actually you can decline in all lakaras, but I am focusing on lot lakar. Manyate is Atmanepadi forms. Again, manyatam, manyetam, manyantam, manyasva, manyetham, manyadvam, manyai, manyavahai, manyamahai. To think, may think, to maintain, to regard. लंबते, अवलंबते, अवलंबते टू रिसोर्ट टू अडॉप्ट टू, अवलंबन करना. अवलंबताम, यस, अवलंबेताम, अवलंबनताम, अवलंबस्व, अवलंबेथाम, अवलंबध्वम, अवलंबई, अवलंबावहै, अवलंबामहै. प्रवर्तते, सेट अबाउट. ओके. प्रवर्तताम, प्रवर्तेताम, प्रवर्तन्ताम, प्रवर्तस्व, प्रवर्तेताम, प्रवर्तै, प्रवर्तावहै. Okay, this is how the Kriya Pada, you can take any Kriya Pada like a Sevate is a Atmanipada Kriya Pada. You can memorize Sevatam, Sevetam, Sevantam, Sevasva, Sevetham, Sevadvam, Sevai, Sevavahi, Sevamahi. Similarly, Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam, Vandasva, Vandetham, Vandadvam, Vandai, Vandamahi, Vandai, Vandavahi, Vandamahai. Similarly, Iksha Dhatu you can take, Pariksha Dhatu you can take, Parikshatam, Parikshetam, Parikshantam, Parikshasva, Parikshetham, Parikshadvam, Parikshay, Parikshavahi, Parikshamahai. Okay, with this, the Abhilashaha, Pullinga noun, desire, Abhilashaha, Ichha, Trishna, Acharaha, proper conduct, conduct, Rujuta, straightforwardness. Feminine word. Ramavat. Khalah, villain. Devadatta, name of a person, very famous character in Shastrik. You know, in different granthas we will find Devadatta Sigruham, वगैरह वगैरह. Patram, deserving person or object. Parthivah, पार्थिवः किंग, पृथोः अयम इति पार्थिवः, the one who belongs to earth. So the master of earth is called Parthiva. Even we are called Parthiva because we are made up of Prithvi. Right? We are also Parthiva. The body is Parthiva. Prashrayah. Prashrayah, courtesy, civility. Vidya, learning. Shramah, labor. Samruddhi, plenty. Abundance. Abundance. Sunuhu, very nice shabda. Sunuhu matlab a son. Okay. Sentences we'll do. We have 8 more minutes. Shatrubihi saha yudhyasva.
Tvam shatrubhihi saha yudhyasva.
Hmm.
You do a battle with enemies.
Fight with your enemies. You fight with enemies. Chittam swastyam labhatam.
So the mind obtain tranquility.
May the mind obtain tranquility. Shishyaha guru vandadhvam.
Yam
Hmm.
Shishyaha Guru Vandadhvam.
Hmm.
You students, hey students, you bow down to your teachers.
Okay. So, though, how you are taking Shishyaha as Shishyaha? Because if you look at the Kriyapad, it is a Vandadhvam. Vandadhvam means you have to add Madhyam Purushaka Bahuvachanam. Yam Vandadhvam. So, basically, when it is Yam Vandadhvam, so automatically Shishyaha becomes Sambodha. Hey Shishyaha Yam Gurun Vandadhvam. Either you can say that way, or the form, if the form is Vandantam, then शिष्याः गुरुन वंदनताम ऐसा होना चाहिए था, वहां कर शिष्याः कर्ता बन जाता है ना. So because it is वंदध्वम, you have to add यूयम. प्रजायाः हिताय पार्थिवाः प्रवर्तन्ताम्. सिंपल सेंटेंस. पार्थिवाः प्रजायाः हिताय प्रवर्तन्ताम्.
So the Parthiva, the kings should conduct for the welfare of the people.
Think about, okay, conduct. Kanne Geetam Shikshetam. Probably Tamil Nadu, South.
Kanya, Kanya. Two girls learn a song.
May two girls learn a song. So in South, they always make their daughters learn Geetam or Vadanam or Nrityam. And that is good. Maharashtra, it doesn't happen. Even in Gujarat, I think they don't allow to dance the girl to dance. पता नहीं क्या है.
They do.
They do not, right?
They do.
They do, but जैसा साउथ में होता है, हर घर में जो भी लड़की जन्म,
No.
they make.
In Karnataka, it is not popular. In Tamil Nadu, it is. In Karnataka, when we were growing up, dancing is considered as something like, not women of good character would do. So they wouldn't allow the girls to learn the dance. Music, yes. Singing, yes.
Is not actually good thing. The every child should be should learn, in my understanding, every child should learn some art, either गायनम, वादनम. लेटर ऑन बाकी सारी चीजें होती रहती हैं, लेकिन
No, we have veena, no? The veena instrument, veena.
फिर वादनम, गायनम, डांस, ये इनमें से कुछ ना कुछ आना चाहिए. नहीं तो क्या है, जीवन में करना ही क्या है यदि नहीं सिखाते हैं तो. मीन्स मतलब मेरा कहने का मतलब डांस ही सिखाना चाहिए ऐसा नहीं, कुछ तो सिखाना चाहिए बचपन से. बाद में अभी अभी हम सीखने का प्रयास करते हैं तो आता नहीं. इस उम्र में क्या है.
They make sure we learn cooking.
हाँ, दैट इज गुड. ये दिस
But
डेज
mostly Gujaratis are money oriented people. They look only just for money. They don't think this too much about that art and music and anything. Like not it's in the common people. Yes, so many, like some are do it, but not the everyone.
This is a big
But in America, it has become
Very little ratio, who do that.
Okay, people are
Allow the children to do it.
money oriented only. What to do?
Yes, of course. Yes, I have to say.
Okay, anyway, but तन्मे गीतम शिक्षेताम. Let's say the daughters should learn गीतम. भर्तारम सेवेताम.
Bhartaram is husband, right? Sevetham. So tvam bhartaram sevetham.
युवा.
Yuvam bhartaram sevetham.
Yuvam serve the husband.
Husband or husband is called master. Basic. Sorry. If there are two servants, so yuvam bhartaram sevetham. You both, both servant or servants, you both serve your bharta.
Master.
Vibharti, one who takes care of is called bharta. One who vibharti iti bharta. One who do nourishment, one who, that is how bharta shabda is called. So not always in husband, but the master.
Master.
कथम दुःखम सहाय. अहम कथम दुःखम सहाय.
Why? I deserve that.
How do I endure the pain?
Endure the mystery.
Mystery, calamity, dukkham, sorrow. Kirtaye yatamahai.
Yatamahai. Kirtaye. Aham.
Vayam.
Vayam. Kirtaye. Yatamahai. So we strive for the fame.
Yes. Bhupate vijayasva. Bhupate vijayasva.
O king, right? O king.
O king.
You may conquer.
May you conquer.
May you conquer.
Bhratuhu gunan ma shlaghadvam.
Shlaghadvam means praise, right? Shlagha. So bhratuhu gunan ma shlaghadvam. Shlaghadvam is bahuvachanam.
Shlaghadvam.
So yuyam bhratuhu gunan ma shlaghadvam. You don't praise your brother's qualities.
Good qualities.